After a few days of excitedly posting a video of everything that I did in Unity, I decided that I would wait until, I actually accomplished something. Not that those weren't accomplishments, but you know what I mean. And then talk about it, explain it a little bit. Working my way up to good explanations. That's going to come probably sometime after I know more about what I'm doing than I do now. I like builders. I like 4X games. I decided to experiment with that. I am trying to learn. I'm trying to learn different things, not limit myself to a certain path. So just explore different things. And I have this landmass here. This is a copy of, this is actually one that I've used for some other stuff. I just redecorated a bit. And so I wanted to experiment with like a builder type format. I made a camera. I made the camera myself, and it worked pretty well, except when I would turn sideways, it would roll. And I worked on getting that fixed for a bit. I didn't get it fixed. I found somebody else's script that mimics the camera inside of Unity, which I don't love, but it helps me get more accustomed to the camera inside of Unity, so I'm dealing with it for now. So with this particular camera, I can move around and whatnot. And so I've got a little screen here. See this where it says build courtyard? I click that and I click and I've deposited a building. Check it out. If I click again, say right here, boom, another building. Of course, I can only do this one building. And yeah, but progress, not perfection, right? So the interesting thing about this is even at different heights, it's measuring the ground height. The one thing that it does kind of have a problem with is if it's on the side of a hill, you can get that effect where there's some space under it. I've tried a couple of different ways to fix that, and I'm not sure if I've actually fixed it or not because when I tried to fix it, sometimes I have been using my own prefab and sometimes I've been using other people's prefabs. My own prefabs happen to be a combination of multiple prefabs. The behavior is just different. I don't know why yet. I'm still kind of working on that. The Over here you see my canvas and a panel within it, and down here I've got that build button. I used my own font for it. I mean, it's not my font, but a font that I downloaded. And when you click the button, it runs this script right here, which probably has some leftover garbage in it that I need to clean up from just different types of attempts. But basically, it figures out where your mouse pointed and it puts a building down and it measures the height from the ground and whatnot. I spent probably way more time than I should have on the nuances of this, and it still isn't perfect, but I learned stuff and I repeated stuff, which helped me get it in my head. And you know what? It's all good because I even had fun, even though a lot of it was kind of like work.